Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Jeep Wrangler for flat towing. First, understand that flat towing means all four wheels of your Jeep remain on the ground as you pull it behind another vehicle. This method is popular for RV owners. We will cover the essential equipment you need and the steps to ensure a safe and successful towing experience. Let's get started with the basics. Next, let's look at the key components. You'll need a sturdy tow bar, which is the primary connection between your Jeep and the towing vehicle. A custom base plate designed for your Wrangler model attaches directly to the frame. Don't forget safety cables. These provide a vital backup in case the main connection fails. Finally, a supplemental braking system is often a legal requirement and adds a layer of safety by allowing your Jeep to brake in sync with the tow vehicle. Now let's prepare your Jeep. First, shift the transfer case into neutral. This is crucial for proper lubrication during towing. For automatic transmissions, put the gear selector in park. If you have a manual transmission, place it in gear, typically 5th or 6th. Disconnect the negative terminal of your battery to prevent any parasitic drain. Lastly, confirm all your lights, including brake and turn signals, are fully functional and visible to other drivers. Before hitting the road, perform these final checks. Re-verify that your tow bar and safety cables are securely attached and properly routed. Confirm that your supplemental braking system is correctly engaged and functioning. After these checks, take a short test drive at low speed to ensure everything is working as expected. Remember to check the description for links to the Little Trees Black Ice air freshener and other great deals. Safe travels on your next adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.